Shit look like a ghost town out here, you feel me? Everything closed. Except for my job, bro. Make it make sense. Don't judge me while I got all these lights on my dash, man. It starts snowing, everything start popping up. Is that a modified Camry? Yeah. Kinda miss driving my Camry. Sure was nice. Yeah, buddy. Yo, what's up, my boy? Big up yourself. Oh yeah, I'm making that. Made it. Gangster. It's the beauty of having an all-wheel drive car. This weather don't faze me. Feel me? Did they even plow over here? I'm too sick to be going to work right now. It's mad slushy snow over here, son. Not expecting it to be traffic, bro. I'm thinking I'm gonna be the only person on the road right now, you feel me? Played myself. Shit crazy. It's not even traffic. This guy just driving slow in the left. I can't blame you, it's snowing, you feel me? Can't even be mad. Though I want to, because I know you can switch to the right. There you go. Good looking. Trucks and shit. Ooh, I just got a nice pop I don't know if his camera caught that. The pops and bangs is coming in nice. I need to finish this exhaust, bro. Make it a little louder. That shit too quiet. Finally over by MetLife, American Dream. Still not even at the half, bro. I got mad far. As you can see, I got mad far to go, bro. This shit crazy. Man. One thing I love is my steering wheel cover, bro. It's cheap, but it feels great. It made the steering wheel look 10 times better. I don't think there's anything better for the price. Definitely gotta check it out. Yeah, I need to get some new wipers, because what is this? What? That shit made no difference, bro. My wipers is cooked right now. These shits gotta go. Gotta go. Can't see shit out this thing. I'm getting closer to the half for real. Still mad far. Look at this, bro. Look at this, bro. Cooked. Hate driving next to trucks. Hella water in this lane though. Not trying to lose traction. Hella water, hella ice. Felt that shit. Terrible weather, bro. I'm ready to move down south. I can't do this, bro. All this snow. I'm tired of it. I need that hot weather. Feel me? I'm getting closer to the half for real. Still mad far. Look at this, bro. Look at this, bro. Cooked. Hate driving next to trucks. Hella water in this lane though. Not trying to lose traction. Hella water, hella ice. Felt that shit. Almost there, boys. Matter of fact, I gotta slow it down over here, man. Them boys gonna hit me with 8 tickets the other day over here. I need to chill. I ain't playing no games with Ho-Hocus police, Mawa police, Ramsey police. Them boys don't rock with me at all. Shit crazy. I don't want no smoke. Get down to the speed limit and under, you feel me? Trying to be on my best behavior out here. Shit crazy. It's hard though. I feel like I'm barely moving right now. I don't know how people be doing the exact speed limit, man. Feeling like I'm moving slow motion. I gotta chill for real. About to start passing me now. That's crazy. I'm looking like the granny driver in a modified car. Crazy works. Somebody look at this. Somebody look at this. Yup. I got overtook on both sides. Crazy works, bro. It's all good. I don't want no smoke with the boys out here. Chilling. Big ass pothole. Ooh, I'm hoping the camera's catching these pops, bro. Damn, man. About to start passing me now. That's crazy. I'm looking like the granny driver in a modified car. Crazy works. Somebody look at this. Somebody look at this. Yup. I got overtook on both sides. Crazy works, bro. It's all good. I don't want no smoke with the boys out here. Gotta make hella clips from this, bro. There's no way I'm about to post a whole hour drive. Finally here, son. Look at this. Golly. Man, them boys starting to plow already. Yes, sir. Back at it. Damn, they buried my spot. Them niggas violated, bro. It is what it is. parking in front of Maxima today. Crazy works. That is it. Alright. Tap in for more videos. You know the vibes.